Can you tell me more about the behind the scenes? Maybe about the team who's building this product with you, how
Mhm.
big is it, and maybe some process, maybe you have some funny things or some ideas came to you while you're building this product with your team.
Our team is not that big. So the team that is building right now the AI functionality is comprised of like 2 to 3 guys. First of all, it's led by our CTO Mike, and he's driving all of the AI transformation within our company. For example, within the last year, we transformed the way we code overall. So our company is not writing code anymore, and all of the developers basically prepare a lot of specs about how the functionality should be going on, and then we try and code everything explicitly just with AI toolkit. It was a necessary step in order to start thinking about the new future way of building stuff. So this was one of the accomplishments of Mike, that he actually transformed the team to use that. We're also transforming right now the way non-technical business functions are also operating with AI completely. So we implemented a lot of, KPIs, I would say, KPIs and procedures within the company to operate with the AI toolkit. So, for example, a lot of decision makings and also a lot of reporting has been made by AI at the moment within the company. So we coordinate together with a slightly more, I would say, interactive way between different departments. For example, marketing to sales, sales to the account management, IT, etc., etc. This is just the basis about how to get on to be able to build a proper AI product in the end. The behind the scenes is that there's a lot of quite complicated technical stuff that I don't understand about how it's been built, but overall is that what we understood that strong people actually they contribute to a better product, and my role mainly is in finding these strong people. So, for example, on the operational side, we'll have soon enough a strong person from pretty high level from the Amazon, who will be leading all of the operational activities of our company. Our IT department is led by a very, very strong CTO who's been leading different products that were fulfilling more than a couple of million orders daily in the past. I was doing a lot of logistical and e-commerce work in the past that was also processing more than million orders daily in pretty renowned companies such as Alibaba Group, for example, or Rocket Internet Ventures, different ventures of that sorts. So the main interesting bit about our product is that, so basically, the behind the scene here is that we took this approach with the current clients and understood, okay, look, this is the best practice about how do you work with the catalog. And we see it across different industries, including fashion, like kidswear, groceries, food and beverage, electronics, etc. So this is the way how it should work, and this is the way how the logistics should work. For example, cross-border logistics, inter-store logistics, within the city logistics, or logistics of the complicated routes. So we're taking these two worlds and we understood, okay, what AI product should do, what the agent should do in order to create an experience for the customer and also for the creator of this web shop, so that it can combine and work together with both of the components well enough. And then we understood that, okay, the AI is actually inventive enough to always redo the website all the time, so it needs to be put into some constraints in order how to be making it, because there is a lot of information on the internet about how to build a website, but not a lot of it is actually, first of all, fitting to what we do, or the second of all is that not all of it is relevant to the best practice e-commerce. So the complication here was that how to build a product that like takes the best of the different worlds. It takes some information from our expertise, and also puts the creativity of AI to build whatever it wants to build. On top of that, there is a layer that allows the customer, like user of this interface, like the person, to impact the design choices and decisions of the AI. Okay, like I want this not to be, I don't know, rounded edges, but I want it to be like square button, something like this. And the trick is actually in combining all three of it. And I think that while, like, for example, the companies like Wix, based with their product Base44, or the Replead or Lovable, couldn't make a tool that can produce immediate production-ready results, is just because of this vagueness of the possibilities that AI can create. And we're trying to tackle that by making sure that every time that AI builds something, it takes all of our expertise in this particular industry to build the customer experience that will not be unworkable, unusable. And it will be just usable from the get-go and production ready from the get-go, which takes a lot of like craftsmanship behind building an SDK for the AI, building an API layer on top of it, and building a lot of rules about like how should it behave and how should it not behave. So it's quite complicated for me as well overall to explain that in a simple manner, but yeah, so basically we're trying to get the expertise, creativity of AI, and the necessity of the user into a single place.